Hi, my name is Demi Bernice and I am a freelance branding strategist and graphic designer, and if you stay at the end of this video, I will be telling you this one thing that I and other freelancers did so we can earn more than we ever thought possible. 2 years ago, I was only charging $5 per project, not even per hour. You would think per hour, but no, I was charging $5 per project, which is a project that is taking me 8 hours to complete. And I have had so many limiting beliefs about money, because if you go hop in from one freelancing website to another, if the freelancer rather is a Filipino, they would rarely charge something above $5 per hour. They rarely do that. You would even see them charge $2 per hour for the projects that they're making, regardless whatever their skill is. And I thought that is kind of like the Filipino freelancer bracket, and we need to stay at that specific pricing rate. But my mentor told me, why not you try charging high? Just try it. And so, because I trusted him, and even though I was completely terrified and have no idea what's going to happen, I took the risk. I charged high, and surprisingly, more clients actually came in and asked me to do their design projects for them, which is completely weird, because you would think that if you're already charging high, not a lot of clients would come to you, right? But it was the complete opposite. There were more clients that came to me for design projects. I was taking my chances and decided to double my rates. And I doubled my rates, and still more clients came in. And I realized that it wasn't because of the price. I think that when you are charging higher prices, they think that you are offering higher quality service. And so I became more confident of the skills that I have. I became more confident and more empowered, and it encouraged me to give high quality services. I practiced more and more of the skills that I currently have, and here I am charging more than I ever thought was possible. And now I am actually here at the roof deck of the condo where I am currently living, and this is the view that I get to see every sunset. Alright, so that was only the one thing that I did, and there are 6 more actual steps that I took for me to become a highly paid freelancer. And if you are up for it, I am inviting you to download the Rise Blueprint and click the Learn More button so you can download it for free. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.